Nga pala, I have a story to tell. So, nag-book kami ng car rental from France. So, kakapili namin. So, hindi naman maarte. Basta meron lang kaming kotse na madala sa Brussels. Dito sa Brussels. Nag-book kami ng Toyota. Yung pinakamura. Toyota, nakalimutan ko na. But Toyota, small car. And then, nung pipick upin na namin yung... by the way, pag nagsasalita si Mercedes. So, all the while, akala namin Toyota kasi yung binook namin. Eto na, Mercedes yung nakuha namin. So, diba?
You have not subscribed to this service. To use it, you first have to activate the service in the Mercedes Me app.
Okay, nagsasalita si Mercedes. Anyway, yun lang yung chika ko. Mamaya kukuhanan ko yung labas. Color black siya. So,